Hi my dearest traders, and a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see you once again in today's new video. So in today's video, I am going to be trading with the Bollinger Band indicator, and I'm going to be using the Japanese candlesticks. I'll be using the 15-second Japanese candlesticks. I'll start with an initial deposit of $30, and hopefully I'll hit my goal for today and more. So stay tuned until the end of the video, because you might like my strategy for today and you will be able to use it in your own trades. And don't forget that I have a private chat in Telegram channel. So in this private chat, you're going to learn more about binary trading, because I always post information about binary trading. You'll also be able to use my trading signals to make very good profit on your own, as well as interact with the other members of the group, as well as receive updates about any trading video that I'll be posting on my channel. So I advise you to join there, especially if you're a beginner and you want to learn more about binary trading. Please join my video, because there is always something new to learn about binary trading. And also, don't forget to support my channel by liking the video, sharing this video, and subscribing to my channel. Let me get started. So to start, I'm going to connect the Bollinger lines by clicking on the indicators button in the lower left corner. I'm going to configure the parameters as follows, with a period 14 and then a deviation of 2. I'll also make the lines a little thicker, and I'll make the middle line, I'll make it yellow. So these configurations are effective for our time frame, and they also provide precise signals on the chart. So the indicator, you can see already here, it's appearing as 3 central lines, and there are 2 borders forming a channel. The central line is a simple moving average that helps us track the overall trend. The upper and lower borders react to the volatility changes, and the more active the market, the wider the bands. So let's figure out how to interpret the signals. So an uptrend is when the price is moving at the top of the channel and is aiming for the upper boundary. So this can be a sign of buying, and in such a situation, it's worth paying attention to a possible reversal which can happen. The middle line in such a case will serve as a support for the price. And also, when there's a sideways trend, the price oscillates between the upper and lower boundaries, which typically signals consolidation and market indecision. And also, you need to pay special attention to if the price is sharply going beyond one of the boundaries. This can help you identify whether the price is excessively overbought or oversold. And when the situation arises, there's a high probability that a rollback will follow in the opposite direction. That's a very important indicator for price change on the market. So these are the main points for trading with this indicator, and I'm going to put them into practice. Here I can observe how the price is being in a downward movement and approach the lower boundary of the Bollinger line. And as previously mentioned, such circumstances are usually followed by a price increase. Therefore, here I will initiate a trade for an increase for 1 minute. This is awesome. My first trade closed in a profit, and this indicator really indicated a very good upward trend. Let me continue. So now here I'm observing the red candlestick that is penetrating the lower Bollinger line, and as a rule in such a situation, I expect an upward movement with a higher probability of opening a deal for an increase for 1 minute. Awesome, this is already another successful trade. The indicator really showed me a very good moment for price rebound. Let me continue. Here I can observe how the green candlesticks began to break through the upper boundary of the indicator. This may indicate an approaching correction movement. However, before opening a bearish trend, I'm going to observe the price behavior a bit. Here you can see the green candlesticks have stopped, and I believe now it's convenient to open a bearish trend. Let me see how the prediction will work. So the situation in this transaction turned out to be exactly the opposite of the previous one that we just traded on, and you can see the breaking line of the Bollinger indicator, which suggested a very convenient entry point for the transaction. Let me move on. Now here you can observe the upward movement becoming more and more confident. However, you can see the candles do not break through the boundaries of the Bollinger line. So in this situation, it's very appropriate to open a bullish trend for 1 minute, as there is a reason to believe that the upward movement will continue further. Let me wait for the results. Don't forget to support my channel. If you liked today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is fantastic. You can see that my first deal closes positively. The indicator really showed me a good entry point. The upward movement enabled me to execute such a transaction. So let me continue. So here you can see that the red candlestick breaks through the lower Bollinger, and given the general upward trend of the price, there's a high degree of probability that tells me that we are waiting for the reversal here to the upward movement. So I'm going to initiate a 1 minute deal for an increase, and I'm going to monitor the outcome. Once again, another great result. Technical analysis and the indicator really showed me a very good entry point, and you see my deposit is already $600. So let me look for the next convenient trading situation. So here I can observe the price candles have become red and are breaking through the lower Bollinger line. This usually indicates an impending price reversal to growth. So here I'm going to open a 1 minute deal for an increase and wait for the results. Once again, another awesome trade. So the combination of technical analysis and Bollinger Band really gave me a very good signal here. So I hope you already understand how this indicator works so far. So let me find the next situation. Here you can see the price is going into a confident upward movement, and before you can see the price predominantly shows an upward trend, and from the entire trading situation, we have not yet been able to approach the resistance level yet. Therefore, such signals may indicate that the upward movement will continue. So here I'll open a deal for an increase for 1 minute. This is quite good. You can see that my deal closed successfully, and it gave me a very good profit. And now I hope you can see that giving a great deal of understanding to technical analysis and combining it with the Bollinger Band indicator really gave me a very good understanding of the trade. And now you can see my deposit is $2,000. Here I can observe how the upward movement has slowed down briefly, and now the green candlesticks are pushing off and continue to be between the upper and middle lines of the Bollinger Band indicator. So this suggests that the upward trend will persist in the foreseeable future. Therefore, here I'm going to open a trade for an increase for 1 minute. So as anticipated, my deal has closed positively. You can see the trade progress towards the resistance level with confirmation from the indicator. So here I'm going to continue and wait for a fresh trading opportunity. So here I can observe a sharp price correction and see a red candle breakthrough of the lower Bollinger Band, and this indicates with great certainty that very soon there will be a foreseeable upward movement. Therefore, I'm going to open a deal for an increase for 1 minute. Another successful transaction. You can see that the price reversed and climbed, thus boosting my deposit. So let me continue. And now, as you can see, there is a series of red candlesticks breaking the lower Bollinger line, and as you already know, this indicates a subsequent upward movement. So here I'm going to open a deal for an increase for 1 minute, because there is a high probability that the price will go up in this situation, because I'm already observing the first signs of a rebound. This is quite good. You can see that my deal has closed confidently in a plus here, and as I assumed, there was a reversal in the trade movement, and this allowed me to make very good profit. My deposit is now $7,200, so I'm suggesting to stop here. I'm going to fix this profit and leave the market. That was quite good. I made very good profit in today's trade. As you saw, I was able to hit my goal, and using the Bollinger Band indicator was quite helpful. Of course, I carried out technical analysis first before using the indicator signals, which I always advise to do. If you have any questions concerning today's trades, you can ask them in my private chat in Telegram channel. In this private chat, you are going to learn a lot about binary trading. I advise you to join this private chat because it will be useful for you, especially if you are looking to learn how to trade and how to trade in a quick, efficient and easy way without making losses. I advise you to join this private chat. You can join with the link under the video. It's a link to my personal chat. You just remember the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat. And also don't forget to support my channel. If you like today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So until next time, and good luck in your trades. Bye bye.